Hi you guys, I still have one box to go and it's my OwlCrate box. And it's the January box and I will show it to you guys. So I will open it. And first you have this amazing art card. And it's the spoiler warnings, the magical artifacts, and they look gorgeous. I will show you. It's a bit blurry, sorry. We have a little box and it's Are You a Favorite by, let's see if it's working. Yay, the light's on. So is this better? I think so. But it's a box and it says, Are you a favorite by the Darkling? Amplify your Grisha powers by wearing your new antler bracelet, inspired by the Shadow and Bone, and made just for you by Team OwlCrate. So and it looks gorgeous. And I think probably you can use it as well for the Wicked or Cruel Prince books. The Wicked King. My bracelets. Well. Oh, it fits. It's a bit difficult, but look how shiny. Ooh, honey. Don't put it here. The next item is, I will look it up for you. Animal pin, and it's the monthly animal pin collection. And it says, wolves were everywhere. And it's made by Alchemy and Ink. And it looks so gorgeous. We love some wolves. They're my favorite animals, I think. Just like cats. But if it goes to wild animals, wolves are one of my favorite. The next item are these amazing socks. I love book-related socks, so yay! I have cats now, and I have the book nerd socks, I've got Dobby socks, and now I have Master of Death socks. Good job. The next item is a zipper pouch inspired by a darker shade of magic, and it's designed by Stella Bookish Art. It's one of the shops I favor a lot because she is really amazing, creative. I like her. And look how awesome it looks. Astravaris Gal wore a very peculiar coat. V.E. Swap. Astravaris to travel. Look at this. It's just really made for OwlCrate. So it's just one in a lifetime. And this is the inside. It's black. Like this. It's dirty and it smells new. I love it. Good. She is amazing. So if you ever get a chance to look at her Instagram, just visit her or buy something because she just deserves it. So then the next item is a wall tapestry, and it's illustrated by Holly Dunn Design, and it's inspired by the magic of the Golden Compass. I never read that book, but I love the movie. And it has polar bears on it. Or one, sorry. Look at this. How cute! It says, without stories, we wouldn't be human being at all. Philip Pullman. Should I say it again? Without stories, we wouldn't be human beings at all. It looks so cute. I fold it back up, so. It looks very good. Look how cute. The polar bears. I think those animals are my second best animals ever. They are not cuddly, but if you see the little cups in... Every time I see the Coca-Cola commercial with these, it's cute. Then, next, we have a wooden letter opener made exclusively by Juniper and Ivy Designs. Look how gorgeous this is. And it says, Sting sword. Sting is an ancient elvish blade. When orcs or goblins are near, the blade will glow blue, alerting the wielder and others who could see it to their presence. Bilbo Baggins had it engraved with the Sindarin text. Translated in English, it reads, Sting is my name, I am the spider's bane. Also works great as a letter opener. I love letter openers. And it looks really gorgeous, and the elfish, like, look, see? The engravings in the wood. Yay! But I will show you the back as well. Looks good, right? I think so. So the next item is, I think it's related to the book, because it's, I think it's a travel label, and it has an emblem like this. I think this is better, the Gilded Wolves. I could put this on my suitcase when I'm gonna visit Holly Black and Cassandra Clare in Edinburgh. So, yay! But we have, of course, the book of the month, and it's a book that I almost bought at GC Reading, that it could be being signed by the author with your name in it, but I waited. I've had some premonition or feeling that it's gonna be in this box. Why? I don't know, but it is, so I was right. And this is the letter that is in the book. And this is the book. Yay! I was so looking forward for this. And it looks so awesome. And it's signed. I will show you this, like this. For the IGTV, I can't go any further because it's only 10 minutes that will upload, but it looks gorgeous. Just like that. And I want to thank you for watching this. So